Hey guys, I am so excited to share with you guys this little hack that I came up with. My husband's a big tech guy. He loves all the new gadgets and learning about them and looking forward to them coming out. And as you know, the Amazon Echo Dot was one of those things. We have Alexa all over our house, and he thought this would be cool because it's so little and easy to have anywhere. But you know, we kind of outgrew this once they came up with the LCD screen one that has video and music videos and all that stuff. So, but we didn't. We really didn't outgrow this because I found a new hack for it so that we could kind of hide it and enjoy it in maybe a room you wouldn't normally put it in. So check out what I'm going to do, and I hope that it's something that would work for you too. Okay, so got this awesome Opal House basket at Target, and I love the design. The lid is awesome. I love concealing items, but I really just wanted it for this shape because I have a plant that fits perfectly in here, except this is a little too deep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick my Echo in the bottom, put the plant on top, and then have a little Alexa in the bathroom. Why would I want Alexa in the bathroom? Well, I like to have music playing in our guest bathroom, especially when we're going to be hosting or just having people over. I think it kind of helps drown out sounds, and it's just kind of a cool thing to have some soft music playing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of search around the base of this basket, and when I see a spot that looks good for the cord, I'm just going to use my pencil to widen it just enough. Then unplug it from Echo, and it just slides really nice and easy in there. Then when I pull it through, I can easily plug it in to the Echo Dot, and there's more than enough room for it to just sit. Let's turn this around. Sorry. More than enough room for it to sit in there snugly, but flat too. So let's go put it in the bathroom so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here we have our Echo Dot in the basket, and just gonna plug it in. Make sure you can see it's powering up. Just takes a second. And then I'm going to already zip tied the wires right here. So that just leaves getting it kind of wrapped up over here, concealing it a bit, making sure that the basket's gonna sit right. Then take this little faux fern that I've had forever, but I still really love it, and just gently set it on top. And there we go. Alexa, what's today's date?
Today is Monday, April 19th.
So there you go. That's my hack for the Amazon Echo Dot. And I just think it turned out really cute. And I love that I can play music in any room. So there you go.